This conference will now be recorded.
Hello and welcome everyone. Good afternoon. Today we will continue our yesterday session, which is about operations and information management for project managements. This is second part of our yesterday's session. My name is Yasir Gulfraz and my email is yasir@ukversity.co.uk. Yesterday, hi Fraz.
Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening. Good evening, Fraz. How are you?
All
You
good.
okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, I just
Sorry, I have
started
some
now.
background noise, so I'll be on mute. I'll just
Yeah, that's fine. I
open
just
my
started
screen.
now anyway. This is the second part of yesterday's session. So I'll
Yeah,
send
I
you
couldn't
a,
attend yesterday, so I'll just watch the recording. It's okay.
yeah, that's fine. No problem. I'll send it to you. You know that I missed some recording yesterday as well. I just forgot, but I will send
Okay.
your slides as well. Okay. I'll
No
email my
worries, no worries.
session
Okay.
slides as well. Okay, no problem. No problem. So let's start with our second part of operations and information management for project managers. So yesterday we discussed what is production and examples. There are four type of productions. Then we discussed service operations, role of service in economy, distinctive characteristics of services. Then we discussed open system view of services. Also, we discussed customer specific productions, physical production location, characteristics, customization versus standardizations. We also discussed production environment and then similar issues between productions and manufacturing environment, forecasting, type of forecasting, for example, budget forecasting. Then we discussed supply chain configuration, quality management, business process management. Also, we discussed Six Sigma, supply chain management, and heritage of operation continued, and some uh, prominent quality and operational management philosophers or writers and specialists. Today, we will start with a process redesign. So, business process redesign BPR emerged as a theory back in 1993, with primary focus on creating business process that can easily adapt to the ever-changing technologies and market. So as now, when we talk about business process redesign, it is important to understand that it can be applied to any area of business, whether we are talking about manufacturing, production, logistics, customer quality, or marketing. Redesigning elements of a business process can bring numerous benefits. It can help increase return on investment, improve product quality, and even reduce unnecessary cost. How does BRP achieve its goals? It relies on three core focuses, uh, as you can see here: scoping, planning, and roadmap. So, scoping, when undertaking business process redesign, it is crucial process identify the scope of the redesign. This involves uh, different kind of things, which ones would be beneficial to address and which ones are simply not worth the effort. By having a clear scope, we can ensure that our efforts are focused and impactful. Next one is planning. During this stage, we lay out the order in which process will be redesigned and established milestones, timelines, costs, and resource requirements. Effective planning sets the foundation for a successful redesign, enabling us to allocate resources efficiently and track progress effectively. And last one is roadmap. Roadmap. Uh, think of the roadmap as a visual representation of our journey towards achieving the desired outcomes. So it despites the order of tracks, projects, or program to be accomplished. There is expected duration and any specific requirement, unlike the planning phase. Roadmap incorporates funding mechanisms, return on investments consideration, and the necessary resources to sustain the program in the long run. Following these three core focuses, scope, planning, and roadmap, we can uh, navigate the complex terrain of business process redesign. It allows us to adapt to the changing landscape, seize new opportunities, and remain competitive in a dynamic marketplace. Uh, Next one is reconfigurable manufacturing system, or RMS. Uh, if you got any issue, can't hear me or can't see my screen, just please let me know. So RMS is another theory that centers on the idea of quickly changing or adopting a system. It allows for swift modifications in the system structure, hardware, and software components. By adopting RMS, business can adopt to capacity or system changes without experiencing excessive downtime, labor, or financial cost. Uh, this also ensures that manufacturing process operates as at its maximum efficiency while maintaining customer satisfaction. The idea of RMS was first introduced in 1999 at the University of Michigan College of Engineering. The statement, exactly the capacity and functionally needed, exactly when needed, established the goal of the system. There are six core trails that define as RMS. So let's quickly discuss each of them. Modularity, the trait refers to here refers to the ability to break down the manufacturing system into smaller independent modules. These modules can be easily modified or replaced, allowed for greater flexibility and adaptability. Uh, Also, next one is integrability. This integrability focus on the system capability to seamlessly integrate different modules or components. It enables smooth communication and cooperation between various parts of the manufacturing system, ensuring efficient operation as a whole. Next one is customized flexibility. Customized flexibility refers to the system's ability to tailor its operations according to specific requirements or changes in demand. This trait allows for quick adjustment without compromising efficiency or customer satisfaction. Then is scalability. This is the system capacity to expand or contract in response to changes in demand or production requirements. An RMS with high scalability can easily adjust its capacity to match the desired output level, optimizing resources utilization. Then convertibility relates to the system ability to switch between different manufacturing process. As you can say, convertibility from word comes to convert, then can switch between different manufacturing process or product type quickly. So this trait enables efficient production line transitions, reducing downtime and facilitating smoother operations. So last one is diagnosability, refers to the system's capability to detect, identify, and resolve issues or malfunctions promptly. RMS with excellent diagnosability can minimize disruptions, ensuring continuous operations and maintaining high efficiency. Uh, RMS may possess some or all of these characteristics. Having all of them enhance the system's response to unpredictable events. This means that manufacturing can continue at high volume, uh, thanks the significant process improvement, ultimately leading to enhanced efficiency. So next one is Six Sigma. We discussed Six Sigma yesterday as well, which is a quality methodology. Six Sigma methodology that focuses on enhancing product quality and optimizing manufacturing system through the power of statistics and analytics. Developed by Motorola in the 1980s, Six Sigma basically was developed by Motorola phone company in 1980s. Six Sigma has become widely recognized by uh, for its impact on operational excellence. Six Sigma is employed in a company to achieve specific financial targets. This may be increasing profit, reducing costs, or other form of financial gains. It then follows a step-by-step sequence carefully to achieve these. Six Sigma incorporates the use of many calculations, ratios, and correct charts to achieve its uh, next one is lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is another methodology which we use for quality management. Lean manufacturing is an extremely popular method utilized in operations management and many business process today. It centers around the idea of ruthlessly eliminating waste in the supply and manufacturing process uh, to cut costs and create shorter process. Uh, it was developed by Japanese industrial engineers Tachi Ohino and E.G. Toyoda during the period from 1948 and 1975. Initially known as the just-in-time production system, it revolutionized efficiency and quality in Toyota automobile plant. Over time, lean manufacturing has gained immense popularity in the Western world as well. Next one is Lean Six Sigma, a useful hybrid. In recent years, operational management and experts have begun to combine the core purpose purposes of lean manufacturing and Six Sigma to create Lean Six Sigma. The idea of creating uh, value for customers by eliminating waste, lean and reducing defects by problem solving. Six Sigma makes for a potent combinations. So now Lean Six Sigma is accelerated process that solve problems and improve process to become faster and more efficient. The key principle of Lean Six Sigmas are as follow: prioritize customer, understand the process volume stream, manage and improve flow of process, remove non-value adding elements, manage factually while reducing variation, involve people while equipping them in the process, undertake significant activity improvement. Uh, Describe the operations, functions, and the nature of the operations manager job. The operation manager is the key figure within the system responsible for making critical decisions and steering the organization towards success. Their role is multi-faceted and carries ultimate accountability for the creation of good or provision of services. To provide you with a better understanding, we will discuss, titles. Operational manager might hold chief, such as chief operating officer, hotel or restaurant manager, vice president or manufacturing, customer services manager, plant manager, field service manager, supply managers. Organizational functions. Essential, we will discussing the essential functions within organization. These functions are crucial for the smooth operation and success of any business. So first of all is marketing. Uh, get customers. Marketing, as you know, that is all about attracting and acquiring customers for uh, our production or services. It involves various activities such as market research, advertising, promotion, and branding. Next one is operation, create production or services. Operation functions focuses on creating and delivering the actual product or services that your business offer. It involves the day-to-day activities related to production, manufacturing, inventory management, quality control, and distributions. Next one is finance, accounting, obtains fund, track money. Finance and accounting function is responsible for obtaining funds and effectively managing the financial resources of the organization. It involves tasks such as budgeting, financial planning, securing investments, managing cash, allow and keeping track of income and expenses. Next one is bank. So it involves basically bank involves related to financial planning, secure investment, managing cash flows, and keep track of income and expenses. Uh, This function deals with acquiring funds and monitoring the flow of money within the organization. Here, like a chart shows that commercial banks, marketing, operations, financial accounting, and operations, teller scheduling, check clearing, transaction process, and security. Functions, airline, there are three main functions: marketing, operations, and finance and accounting. So operations, flight operation, ground support, facility maintenance, and catering. Here in manufacturing, there are three again main sectors: marketing, operations, finance, and accounting. And operations, which is our topic, deal with manufacturing, production, control, quality control, purchasing. Uh, then again, what do operation management managers do? Uh, Operation management managers are responsible for overseeing and coordinating a range of activities that contribute to the production of goods or services. So, first of all is plan, then organize, staff, lead, control, and control. So, planning operations managers engage in strategic planning to set goals, define objectives, and develop action plans. They consider factors like market demand, resource availability, and operational capabilities to create effective plan. Next one is organizing or organize. Operations managers organize resources such as equipment, materials, and personnel to ensure efficient and smooth operations. They establish process and system to optimize productivity and streamline workflows. Next one is staffing. Operation managers play a vital role in staffing decisions. They recruit, select, and hire employees with the necessary skills and qualifications. That's mean they work with HR management and HR department as well. The next one is leading. Effective leadership is essential in operational management. Managers motivate and inspire their team to achieve goals, provide guidance and support, and foster a positive work environment. They also encourage collaboration, teamwork, and open communications. And final is control. Controlling operation managers implement control mechanism to monitor and evaluate performance. They establish performance metrics, conduct regular assessment, and take corrective actions when necessary. So this ensures that operations align with set standards and objectives. So next one, what do operations manager do? Uh, they do different critical ensuring they ensure that the smooth functioning and efficiency of an organization's operations. So they oversee a wide range of activities and uh, they some of key areas are forecasting, supply chain management, facility layout and design, technology selection, quality management, purchasing, resources and capacity management, process design, job design, service encounter design, and scheduling. So forecasting, operation manager engage in forecasting to anticipate for future demand and market trends. This helps the organization plan production, inventory levels, and resource allocation more effectively. Next one is supply chain management. They are responsible for managing the entire supply chain, which involves coordinating activities relating to procurement, production, distribution, and logistics. This ensures that materials and products uh, flow smoothly from suppliers to customer. Next one is facility layout and design. Operation manager designs and optimize the layout of physical facilities such as factories, warehouse, or service centers. So next one, technology. They evaluate and select appropriate technologies and system to support operations. Quality management. Operation managers oversee quality control process to ensure that products or services meet or exceed customer expectations. Then it's purchasing. They manage the procurement process, including sourcing suppliers, negotiating contract, and ensuring timely delivery of materials or services required for production. Resource and capacity management. They allocate resource efficiently to meet production target while optimizing costs. They also monitor and manage the capacity of facilities, equipment, and workforce to align with demand fluctuations. Next one is process design. They design and improve operational process to enhance productivity, reduce waste, and improve quality. This involves analyzing workflows, identifying uh, bottlenecks, and implementing process improvements. Job design. Operation managers structure job roles and responsibilities to optimize productivity and employee performance. Next one is service encounter design. In service oriented industries, operations manager focus on designing positive and efficient customer experience. They optimize process, train staff, and implement system to ensure exceptional service delivery. And last one is scheduling. Operation managers develop production schedules, rosters, timetables to ensure the efficient use of resources and meet customer demand effectively. Next one is operations manager management decisions. Uh, as we discussed above, operation manager management is a crucial aspect of any organizations, and as it involves making strategic and tactical choice so that optimize the production and delivery of goods and services. So strategic decisions in operation management, these decisions shape the overall direction and long-term success of the organizations. The key strategic decisions are uh, uh, s- product service design, process selection, capacity planning, facility location, facility layout, and job designs. uh, then tactical decisions, which are more short term and operational in nature. These decisions basically focus on day to day activities to ensure smooth operations. The key tactical decisions are quality control, demand forecasting, supply chain management, production planning, inventory control, and scheduling. Yeah. Next one is evaluate current issues in business that are impacting operation management. Uh, Technology competing in global economy, globalization, changing customer expectations, innovations, changing job designs, quality, global manufacturing, risk management. So technological advancements have revolutionized the way business operate, from automation and artificial intelligence to data analysis and cloud computing. Technology has the power to streamline process and enhance productivity. Uh, Global economy, competing the global economy or globalization. Uh, Today's interconnected world, business face competition on a global scale. So globalization has opened up market and created opportunities, but it also means business must navigate complex supply chains, cultural differences, and regulatory framework, changing customer expectations and innovations. Uh, Customer expectations are evolving rapidly. They demand personalized experience, quick response times, and seamless interactions. To meet these demands, businesses must embrace innovations, continuously adopt their products and services, uh, and invest in technologies that enhance customer engagement and satisfaction. Uh, oh, sorry. Next one is changing job design. Job design are shifting as a result of automation and technology. Certain routine tasks and being automated, leading to the creation of new roles that require a different skill set. Operations managers must navigate this changing uh, manager this changing landscape, ensuring the right balance between human and automated tasks and providing opportunities for upskilling and reskilling employees. Next one is quality management. Maintaining and improving product and service quality remains a key concern of operation management. Quality defects, customer complaints, and recall can have a detrimental impact on a company's reputation and bottom line. Global manufacturing, the globalization of manufacturing operations has introduced new complexities. Companies often have dispersed supply chains, relying on supply chain, different chains relying on supply from different countries. This brings challenges such as coordinating productions, managing inventory across multiple locations, and mitigating risk associated with political instability, natural disasters, or disruption in transportation. The last one is risk management. Operation management face a wide range of risks, including supply chain disruptions, environmental uncertainties, regulatory compliance, and financial issues. So, effectively managing these risks is crucial for business continuity. It involves developing contingency plans, diversifying suppliers, conducting risk assessment, and staying informed about geopolitical and economic trends that may impact operations. Next one is sustainability. Uh, this term refers to an organization's ability to address current business needs, which also developing a long-term strategy that takes advantage of opportunities and manages risk of for all product systems, supply chain, and process. The goal is to preserve resources for future generation. So, organization commitment to ensuring the long-term quality of our environment. So, it involves making choice and taking actions that minimize harm to the environment and promote its well-being. Uh, sustain, Sustainability means finding ways to meet our present needs without uh, compromising the ability uh, means present needs without compromising the ability to future generations to meet their own needs. It's about being responsible and forward thinking in everything we do. Now, what do you, anyway, just if you know that anything about sustainability, uh, please you can write into make a note and you can explain what is it, whatever comes in your mind. Changing challenges for the operations, uh, past causes, future, local, national, local, low cost, reliable, global focus, batch cost of capital, both just in time shipments, low bid purchasing, quality emphasis required supply chain parts. Here, changing challenges for the operation management. Uh, so that's it. One last thing, which is economic sustainability. Uh, that's mean an organization dedications to meeting present business requirement and ensuring long-term economic prosperity. It involves being flexible and strategically managing resources to effectively adapt to future business markets and operating conditions. So here are some references at last, and that's it for today. So if you have any questions, please drop me an email at yasir@ukversity.co.uk. And tomorrow we'll start our next session, which is learning outcome 2. And I'll see you at 2 o'clock. So thank you very much, everyone, and Firas as well. So
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
I'll see you 2 o'clock tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, thank you very
Have a
much.
good